Hello everyone, I wish to invite you for crypto meetup in Potter's Arms pub in Amersham. If you come here, you'll be met a lot of people interested in all sort of different businesses, cryptocurrency, real estates, trading in stocks or whatever, S&P 500.
It's a lot, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
What you get in meetings like this, you will get more knowledge about the blockchain, what is the cryptocurrency, how to trade, how to hold on, how to basically invest in a long-term projects, in a short-term projects, in startups. You will know what is about with the NFTs.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
You will get more about the strategies, how to invest money to don't lose that money, and the most important, you will get more knowledge about how to don't scam yourself. Obviously is a lot of scammers around us and they just want to take your money.
But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to
We wish to thank you for attendance today on today's meeting. I hope you liked the show and see you next time.
you're feeling no more pain.